The real estate market, traditionally dominated by wealthy investors due to high entry costs and complex legal processes, is experiencing a shift thanks to blockchain technology and tokenization. These innovations are democratizing the industry, allowing small investors to access high-value properties through digital tokens that represent ownership stakes. Tokenization divides real estate assets into digital tokens stored on a blockchain, enabling people to invest small amounts and still benefit from property ownership. What is tokenized real estate? Tokenized real estate involves converting ownership of a property into digital tokens, each representing a fractional stake in the asset. This enables individuals to invest with smaller amounts, offering proportional ownership in real estate. Platforms using tokenization allow users to buy, sell, or trade these tokens. Investors can earn rental income or benefit from property appreciation similar to traditional real estate investing, but with the added advantages of liquidity and accessibility. Blockchain asset investment consultants help navigate the technical aspects of tokenization. Benefits of tokenized real estate: lower barriers to entry. Traditional real estate often requires significant capital upfront. Tokenization reduces this barrier, allowing smaller investors to participate with minimal amounts. Enhanced liquidity. Tokenized assets can be traded on blockchain platforms, providing liquidity in a market that is traditionally illiquid, facilitating real-time transactions. Transparency and security. Blockchain ensures secure, transparent transactions by maintaining an immutable ledger, making it easy to verify ownership and reduce fraud risks. Global accessibility. Tokenized real estate eliminates geographical restrictions, allowing global investors to participate thanks to the blockchain's decentralized nature. Challenges and solutions. Tokenized real estate does face challenges, such as regulatory uncertainty, ownership disputes, and tax implications. A growing need for legal clarity in these areas emphasizes the importance of working with consultants who specialize in security tokens, compliance, and digital assets to navigate these hurdles. Notable platforms like Realty, BrickBlock, and Harbor are revolutionizing tokenized real estate by offering fractional ownership and transparency through blockchain. Aspen Digital's project, which tokenized the St. Regis Aspen Resort, demonstrates how blockchain enables fractional ownership and liquidity. Future outlook. The tokenized real estate market is expected to grow significantly, with predictions of a $1.4 trillion market by 2030. Increasing institutional interest and the expansion of tokenized assets are driving this growth, providing unprecedented opportunities for small investors to build wealth. Educational resources. Kenson Investments offers educational resources to help individuals understand blockchain and tokenization, empowering them to make informed decisions and capitalize on new opportunities in the evolving real estate market.